Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best exercise bikes for small spaces. Number 1. Peloton exercise bikes. This fitness bike offers an immersive and customizable workout experience for users of all levels. The all-access membership gives you unlimited access to a vast library of classes, allowing your entire household to enjoy a variety of workouts. Whether you're into cycling, yoga, stretching, or more, you can create a tailored routine with ease, adding classes like warm-ups or cool-downs through the stacked classes feature. Plus, the Peloton Entertainment feature now lets you stream TV shows, movies, and live sports directly from the bike screen, keeping you entertained while you exercise. Track your progress with ease by pairing your Apple or Wear OS watch to the Peloton Watch app, which monitors your heart rate and other workout metrics in real time. The compact design of the bike fits comfortably in your space with a 4-foot by 2-foot footprint, making it perfect for any room with a minimum ceiling height of 8 foot. The setup includes everything you need: bike frame, handlebars, pedals, water bottle holders, and a toolkit. With a weight limit of 297 pounds and height accommodations ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, this bike is designed for a wide range of users. Number 2. GOFLYSHINE exercise bike. This exercise bike is designed to provide a smooth and stable workout experience for users of all fitness levels. Featuring a heavy-duty steel frame, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and stability throughout your ride. The infinite resistance system and belt drive system offer a silent and fluid cycling experience, while the adjustable resistance levels cater to various exercise needs, allowing you to burn more calories and simulate real road conditions. The built-in push-down emergency brake adds an extra layer of safety during intense workouts. With fully adjustable handlebars and a seat that can be easily adjusted in height, this bike can be personalized to fit your body perfectly. The ergonomically designed seat also moves forward and backward, ensuring maximum comfort during your ride. The bike is equipped with a multifunction LCD monitor to track your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, providing essential workout data. Additionally, it comes with a convenient holder for your water bottle, mobile phone, or tablet, allowing you to stay entertained while working out. Its compact design and front transport wheels make it easy to move and store. Number 3. YYFITT stationary bikes. This versatile indoor fitness bike is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from seniors to those with different fitness needs. It features a unique, patented luminous digits display that ensures clear visibility even in dimly lit spaces, making it easy to track your workout progress. The adjustable display angle allows you to find the perfect viewing position, whether you prefer an upright or recumbent cycling posture, and the dual-piece design enables easy tablet use during workouts. Comfort is a priority with this bike, as it comes with an extra wide seat that is 15% larger than standard options, providing a more comfortable and pain-free experience. The seat's height is adjustable to suit your needs, and the XXL backrest offers full support to your back, helping to reduce discomfort during longer rides. Additionally, the backrest height is adjustable, allowing you to customize your comfort level. The bike's compact, foldable design makes it ideal for saving space, while its 260 pounds weight capacity ensures it can accommodate a variety of users. It also includes arm resistance bands to target your upper body. Easy assembly and top-notch customer service complete this user-friendly package. Number 4. DMASUN stationary bike. This exercise bike offers a combination of stability, smoothness, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. With a solid 35-pound flywheel and alloy steel frame, thicker than many competitors, it provides a sturdy and secure ride, supporting users up to 330 pounds. The magnetic resistance system ensures a quiet workout experience, with sound levels under 20 dB, so you can focus on your exercise without disturbing others. The resistance levels range from 0–100%, catering to a variety of workout intensities from warm-up to muscle strengthening. Equipped with a real-time data display, this bike tracks your time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. It also supports SPD pedals and integrates with Wahoo for RPM tracking. The bike's adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a customizable fit for users ranging from 4.8 feet to 6.1 feet in height. Additionally, it comes with an electronic device stand, water bottle holder, and transport wheels for convenience. Assembly is quick, with 70% pre-assembled components, allowing you to set up and start exercising within 30 minutes. Number 5. DMASUN Cycling Bike. This indoor exercise bike combines stability, smooth performance, and ease of use to deliver a reliable fitness experience. Constructed with a 30-pound solid flywheel and an alloy steel frame thicker than many alternatives, it supports users up to 300 pounds with confidence. The bike's sturdy design undergoes anti-fall testing before leaving the factory, ensuring a high standard of safety and quality. With an ultra-quiet operation of less than 20 dB, the bike provides an immersive workout experience without disturbing those around you. The classic brake pad resistance system, enhanced with updated wool felt pads, offers a smooth and adjustable resistance range. Tailored to suit various fitness levels, the resistance spans from light warm-ups to intense muscle strengthening, ensuring a versatile workout. A real-time data display tracks time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, giving you complete visibility of your progress. Compatibility with Wahoo and SPD pedals enhances functionality, while adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate users from 4.8 feet to 6.1 feet. Non-slip pedals, an electronic device stand, and transport wheels add to the convenience. Quick to assemble, the bike comes 70% pre-assembled, with easy-to-follow instructions to get started within 30 minutes. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.